knows just why we're here? Could it be fate or random circumstance? At the right place at the right time, two roads intertwine. And if the universe conspired to melt our lives to make us few and far, then wherever you will be, so too shall I be. Close your eyes, dry your tears, 'cause when nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here from the rage of your doubts and fears. Weary heart, you'll be safe here. Remember how we laughed until we cried at the most stupid things like
Hi Mars! Happy 50th birthday! I wish you all the best in life and God bless you. Hello Mars! Happy birthday! I miss you. Enjoy your day. I just want you to know that I'm so very blessed to have you in my life. So God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Dang! Sana, diyan nakapang dakal na birthday ning apong ginuba kan tarugo, dakal ka pa asopan kareng meging pinsan mo, ampo karen dara mo. Mimingat ka, kingobra mo. Kasi bayi sega na gana, kumustala pala rin nga po ko. Di nga po ko iswit. Ampoy Jess, kumustala. Yung papabure ni sarili mo. Sige na.
Happy birthday, Maring Dang. Sana dakal pang birthday yung datang keka. Sana dyan nakapang masikan na katawan ng apong Ginoo.
Hi Mars! Happy birthday! Thank you so much. I love you. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Hello Dang! Happy 50th birthday! Oh, kumusta na kayo Rigo? Sana may you have more birthday to come. Ay, shit kaya. Idyasa na akong English kaya nga po naman.
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Dang. Wish ko mo sana happy ka, good health, enjoy your day, more birthdays to come. Sana umingat kayo lagi ka na, pamporing anak.
Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko, good health, more blessings to come, ingat ka palagi dyan. I miss you, love you sis.
Hi, Tita Dang. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best, good health, and more blessing to come. Thank you for being ate for me and tita to our babies, Adi and Aliyah. And sabi napin ma ako, ako migaga nakakikakena na kasi ito naman ni ate mo dangan tabayanan na ko. Again, Tita Dang, happy 50th birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Dang. God bless you. May mingat ka lagi, Ken.
Happy birthday, Ate Mars. I miss you.
Happiest birthday, Ate Dang. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. I miss you and God bless you always.
Birthday. Sana next year at ikagin ako yung Banwangan ni Panta. I-celebrate aming birthday mo. Yama ka na. Bye-bye.
Hi Mars, happy 5th birthday. Laging masaya Kembye, bangkan takakaba. Tsaka laging ingat Ken. God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po! More blessing! Pota pong muli, abe-abe tampa si Bayo.
Hanggang ngayon mo pa birthday. Potang muli ka, mag-birthday ta Kenny.
Happy birthday pa si Bayo Mars. Ingat!
Happy birthday, Dan! Dan, 50 ka na, ha? Galing mo.
Yes, 50 na tayo. Hindi pa ako. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dang.
We love you.
We love you. See you soon.
Hello, Dang. Happy 50th birthday kaya. Sana dakal pang dakal na birthday miras kaya. Wish ko kaya good health. More blessing. Salamat na dakal kaya sa mo kaya kami. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Dang. Salamat king ganaganang saop mo kaya kami nga ate muli at kareng pangunakan mo. Ako nangan litanya nga ne. Happy birthday na ulit. Balong mo naman nga dito. God bless and happy birthday.
Close your eyes.